Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This is my Malabar spinach plant. You might have seen these plants in my other video. Yes, these plants were outside before, but I had to bring them inside now. This is my Malabar spinach. I planted in few pots here. As slowly the temperature will fall now and it will not survive in outdoor. And anyway, I have to save these plants. Why do you know? See the seeds here. It's growing, but it's not ripe enough. And I need these seeds. Because for the next year, once it's ripe, I can dry and can store it for next year so that I can grow my Malabar spinach next year. That's why I have to save them. This is my red Malabar spinach. Here are 4 or 5 plants are there all together. It's all tangled and I fix them here. Now I have to take them out carefully without damaging them. So let me do it carefully. This is my green color Malabar spinach. Both are same. One is red color, one is green color. This one doesn't have any seeds yet. Maybe it will come, I'm not sure. This one I moved last week. I moved them inside. At last, I arranged them all safely inside. Hopefully, we'll be able to collect seeds. Let's see what will happen. But hopefully, I can collect seeds and can have Malabar spinach during winter time also. Altogether here, I have 7 plants. I arranged them in the stand to save the place. So I can arrange everything here. So thanks for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.